Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Location services must be enabled, and Maps needs permission to use your position while using the app or always. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data are active. They help the GPS refine a fix faster than GPS alone. Restart Maps after changing permissions, so settings apply. You'll also toggle airplane mode for 5 seconds then off to force a fresh radio handshake. That often clears simple connectivity or triangulation errors. Once basic checks are done, calibrate your phone's sensors by opening Maps and doing a slow figure 8 motion to realign the compass and heading. This improves direction and location accuracy. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupt Wi-Fi or cellular profiles. Note this removes saved networks. Make sure both iOS and the Google Maps app are up to date. Updates often fix bugs affecting location. After updates or resets, reboot the phone to ensure all services start cleanly. To finish, uninstall and reinstall Google Maps to remove corrupted cache or settings, sign back in and recheck location. Inspect your case or nearby metal objects that can disrupt sensors, remove them and test again. If uncertainty remains, compare results in Apple Maps. If it's accurate, the issue is the app. If not, it's system or hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: if location jumps or is off by large margins, perform a full iPhone backup and factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.